Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a table Google site. So first, we'll begin with accessing your Google site. Open up the Google site where you would like to add the table. If you haven't already created a site, you can easily start a new one by navigating to Google Sites from your Google Drive. Once you're a desired site, we can proceed to add the table. The first step is to click on Sheets. Now, this part is crucial because we'll be using Google Sheets to create our table. By clicking on Sheets, you will open up a window that allows you to browse through your existing sheets that are saved in Google Drive. If you haven't created a table in Google Sheets yet, you might want to take a moment to jump into Google Sheets, set up your data, and then return here to easily access it after you have clicked on Sheets. The next thing you need to do is browse and select the sheet table you wish to incorporate. So within that window, you will see all the spreadsheets available. You take a moment to find the one that has the data you need. Once you have done that and located that, select that sheet. This action will facilitate the integration of your selected table into your Google Sites. Now, moving on to the final step, you need to click on Highlight. Once you have selected your table from Google Sheets, it's important to highlight the specific data you want to be displayed on your site. You can click and drag to highlight the range of sales you are interested in. This step helps ensure that only the necessary data gets transferred onto your web page, keeping it neat and relevant. To wrap things, after completing these steps, your table should now be successfully added to your Google site. It's a simple yet powerful way to display structured data to your audience. If you wish to make any change to the table later, you can always revisit your Google Sheets, make the necessary updates, and they should reflect on your site. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.